The GAF Golden Pledge Limited Warranty is one of the strongest warranties available in the roofing industry. When you choose a GAF Master Elite contractor to install a qualifying GAF roofing system, including GAF shingles and at least 5 qualifying accessory products, you may be eligible for the Golden Pledge Limited Warranty. The Golden Pledge provides lifetime coverage against manufacturing defects in the GAF products, including 50 years of non-prorated coverage during which the remedy includes replacement GAF products as well as the labor to install them. Costs for tear-off and disposal are also included, if necessary, in connection with a covered claim. What sets the Golden Pledge apart is the 25 to 30 years of misapplication coverage it affords on most of GAF's most popular shingles. Here's another bonus. If you sell your home, all GAF warranties are eligible to be transferred once to the next homeowner for free, adding even more value to your home. Still have questions? Don't hesitate to discuss GAF enhanced warranty options further with your contractor.